What up, YouTube? It's Sunday, my dudes. No, I'm just joking, but I just wanted to say that. It's kind of fun. But yeah, today is my day off. Yesterday was the nice day. Yesterday was sunny, warm, and just amazing day. But I worked all day. Was stupid busy because it was a nice day. Now, on my days off, it's all rainy, cloudy, sprinkly, slightly cold, and that's the day I choose to fix on my car. I'm not fixing anything today. I guess I sorta am, but pretty much I'm gonna lift the back end of my car. I'm gonna put my 5mm spacers in the back. And I don't recommend it because I slightly rub a little bit on the tires, on the fenders. I need to roll them some more or whatever, get them pulled. But I'm not doing that today. I'm just putting the 5mm spacers and saying fuck it. So once I drive today, we'll see how much it actually rubs on my wheels. Hopefully it's not too much, but I bet you anything the Femin's gonna look dope, and that's all I really want. I don't care for my wheels. It might take a little tread off there, but whatever. That's what the static life is. You just kind of wing it and just adjust it, and yeah. So let's go outside and let me get all my supplies and let's get it for the day. So it is sprinkling a little bit, but fuck it, we're gonna do it anyways in the rain. I don't care. So get this car down there, downhill. So I am gonna raise the back end. Get my switch key, put it in there. Oh shit, I'll roll down the windows for you guys. Let that cold start going on. It's a little tame today. It's still nice and out though. So there you guys go. We're still waking up the neighbors, you know what I'm saying? Not really, because it's like 12 o'clock. But yeah, there was a car meet we're gonna go today, but it's raining, and I do have another car meet for tomorrow, so I don't know, we'll see. Might just spend time with the family tonight. We'll see. And yeah, let's move this car down there and let's get this shit going. And just for you guys, I'm gonna be a little obnoxious. I don't want to rev it too much because, you know, I don't feel comfortable doing it around my neighbors and shit. They're all, you know, they're all white neighbors, so, you know, you have to kind of keep it peaceful around here. But let's put you right on the back. Let's do some revs, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. Okay, no more of that. No more making noise. But pretty much we're gonna do we're gonna put those 5mm spacers on there. I need to get the jack from the garage, and let's start doing that real quick. And hopefully you guys like that. I like it every day. So yeah, let's get this garage open and let's get started. Now I'm just lifting the car up. Right up. get these spacers on. They are centric, or whatever you call them, where they fit the hub perfectly like that. On there. They're perfectly on that one. Now for the next one, these are JBR spacers. They sell them on Edge Auto Sports. You do need them if you're gonna have aftermarket struts or coilovers for the front. For the backs, it don't really matter, but I feel like it's gonna look a lot better. I need to take this off. This is what was keeping my wheels in place as well. Might not need them now, but we'll kind of see. There you go. Now let's put the wheels back on and see how they look. I'm lucky I don't need any lug extenders. Yeah. Let's put all this stuff back on. Do the other side. And they're probably gonna rub. Let's go from there. Okay, so I don't have them really tight on there yet, but they for sure might poke right around here. But dude, fuck it, I'm gonna send it anyways. So let's lower it and see how different it looks. I should have kind of took a picture of it when it was, you know, without the springs on, but oh, going too fast. It's hard to do all this in one hand. Go slowly. Ooh. It's all good, it's all good. There it is. Woo! Damn, bro. That sticks out pretty good amount. So pretty much I have my car slanted like this. So I can come down here and fix my side skirts. I don't know if you can see it, but you see that gap right here? The screws are coming off. So I'm gonna fix that. And I had to do this just so I can look down here, because I don't know if you can see. Where is it? Yeah, you see my intercooler piping? It's like hanging way down here. And I've been seeing this is flattening out, and I need to, I don't know, I need to adjust this. I have to pull this up more because it's just scraping on everything, and that's bad because that piping is gonna be fucking expensive. So I need to fix that. I don't know when I'm gonna fix it, but that is a problem. And yeah, so we're just gonna get this screw and just fix my side skirts from coming off. So I got everything good. I think this side's good. Yeah, this maybe might have to fix this side too. Nah. Okay, so this did fall off a screw, but that's fine. Pretty much it just looks weird because it's like my side skirt kind of broke off, and then the pins are broken. So I don't know if I can fix that, because some of these latches are broken off on the side skirt, so I don't know if I can fix that fully, but I'll just leave that out there. And here it is. I have about, what, almost 2, and not even 2 inches, like not even 2 fingers can go in there. It looks good. But yeah, I'm gonna just park it up here, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so pretty much that's it. I'll keep you guys updated if I go to the meet today. If not, we'll go to the meet tomorrow. That's the one I really want to go to. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll keep you guys updated if I go to that meet or not. So we'll see you guys till then. Peace.